CVT transmissions always fail before 100,000 miles. You hear this everywhere, on forums and Facebook groups, and from used car owners who had one bad experience. But is this myth actually true? Let's break it down. This myth started because early generation CVTs, especially from Nissan and Jatco, had real problems. Weak belt design, overheating, slipping, and poor fluid quality created a disaster in the late 2000s and early 2010s. Those failures built a massive reputation that still follows CVTs today, even though the technology has changed. Most people believe every CVT is a ticking time bomb. They think the belt snaps, the car loses power, and the transmission dies instantly. But that's not the full story. Here are the real facts. Fact 1. Not all CVTs are the same. Subaru, Toyota, Honda, their modern CVTs are very different from the old Jatco units that caused most of the horror stories. Fact 2. Most modern CVTs fail because of heat and old fluid, not because they are weak. CVTs need clean fluid more often than traditional automatics. If you never change CVT fluid, yes, it will die early. Fact 3. Brands like Toyota and Honda redesign their CVTs with stronger belts, better pumps, and improved cooling. These units can last well over 150,000 miles when serviced correctly. Fact 4. Even Nissan greatly improved their CVTs after 2015, adding better coolers and updated software, but the old reputation remained. Let's take a real example. The Honda Civic with the modern Honda CVT. Owners who change CVT fluid every 30,000 miles or every 2 to 3 years often report zero major issues past 100,000 miles. But owners who wait until the transmission starts slipping are usually the ones who say CVTs die early. Same story with Subaru. Regular fluid changes and proper cooling, the CVT lasts. Ignore it, and it fails. So is the myth true? Here's the verdict. Partially. Old CVT, especially Jatco designs, really did fail before 100,000 miles. But modern CVTs from Toyota, Honda, and Subaru are dramatically improved and last much longer when serviced correctly. If you want your CVT to last, here's what actually works. Change CVT fluid every 25 to 30,000 miles. Avoid towing or heavy loads unless your model is rated for it. Use original CVT fluid, never universal. Do that and your CVT will likely outlive the myth. Which myth should I break down next? Tell me in the comments and subscribe for more car myths explained simply.